Professor. This is going to be my student ID, Lorraine Cabrera, and today I will be doing Germany, so let us begin. So I'm going to start with German's factoids. Germany is located in Europe. Their capital is Berlin, and because they're in Europe, their currency is euros. They have a population of over 83 billion as of 2019. So their economic system is a mixture of private freedom, centralized economic planning, and government regulations. Their main exports are vehicles, machineries, chemical goods, electronic products, electronic equipment, and pharmaceuticals, holding over 2 trillion. Their main imports are machineries, data processing equipment, vehicles, machineries, chemicals, oils and gas, pharmaceutical, and medical equipment and supplies, again, over 1 trillion. Totaling their GDP as 3.86 trillion as of 2019, ranking them number 4 on the world's highest GDP, and they are a part of the European Union. Appointment alerts. Germans very much appreciate a structured, well-planned day and expect the highest of respect during appointments. Appointments are necessaries because they do not like surprises. Any unethical behavior will destroy your future business negotiations, so please be on your best behavior. Time is carefully managed, so please do not be late to your appointment. In fact, it is very much encouraged to arrive 5 to 10 minutes earlier for important business meetings, and their business days are usually 6 to 9 hours a day, and they do have a maximum of overtime of 60 hours per week. Business dress, appearance, and presentations are very important to them, so formal and conservative is the way to go. Businessmen are expected to wear dark-colored, conservative business suits, ties, and a white shirt. That goes for the same as women. They are expected dark suits, white shirt, or conservative dress. Do not remove your jacket or tie before your German colleague does so first. And women are heavily discouraged from wearing heavy sets of makeup or heavy jewelry. Conversation. I had broken this up into 2 different, nonverbal and verbal communication. Nonverbal is maintaining good eye contact and enjoying a good amount of space between you and your colleague. Please do not wave or shout at anyone to gain their attention. They enjoy quietness and privacy. If they liked your speech presentation or anything like that, they will let you know by rapping their knuckles against a tabletop, so that's a good sign. Verbal communication, please do not call them after 10 p.m. to their home or business. After 5 p.m., you will not get a response from Monday through Thursday, and on Fridays, you will not get a response after 4 p.m. Germans are very straightforward, so the small talk is not appreciative. They want to have results at the end of a meeting. Please, please, please avoid Holocaust and World War II conversations. If the conversation does arrive, just please remain impartial. 3 main words to keep in the back of your minds. If thank you is danke, please is bitte, and good day is guten Tag. Gift giving. So gifts are very uncommon because business is so straightforward. But if you feel the need, a small but of good quality, not overly expensive gift is the way to go. Maybe office supply or a good quality pen with maybe your company logo or liquor is always a good plus. If you are invited to a German's home, you can bring flowers, wine, chocolate, or a small gift that represents your hometown, your home country. Flowers given in uneven numbers and unwrapped are bad luck, so please avoid those things, and also avoid the number 13 of anything. Again, bad luck. Red roses symbolizes romantic intentions, so that's probably not the way to go. Do not give carnations, lilies. They symbolize mourning, and gifts are usually opened when received. Negotiations, making a deal. A person's word and their handshake is bond, so it is legally binding in Germany. A direct, well-researched speech with lots of graphs and statistics is usually preferred, since they do like to visualize their profits. Decision-making is often a slow and detailed process, so every aspect of the decision-making is gone through various executives in the company. So please do not try to speed up the process or go over anyone's head, because that is very disrespectful and it will hurt your business negotiations. Avoid confrontational behavior or high pressure tactics again. So once a decision is made, it will not be changed. Prosperous entertaining. So outdoor entertaining is very popular in Germany. In fact, most business is done over entertaining guests. The host is expected to pay. So if you invite a German comic out to lunch, you are expected to pay. Lunch with business colleagues generally involves social conversation, so please do not try to initiate the business conversation unless they do so first. Please do not leave any food on your plate when you are finished eating. This is disrespectful as well. And one thing to remember is nobody drinks at the party unless the host has drunken first. And last but not least, public behavior. So do not try to invade other people's personal space. Again, good eye contact and a good amount of space. Do not snap your fingers or point at someone or raise your voice. This is, again, frowned upon. No spitting on the street, no littering on their pavement, and no chewing gum very loudly. This is all negative things that will hurt your business negotiation. No public drunkenness, so please be mindful of how much alcohol you are consuming at a dinner. Do not make any loud noises, and when bumping into someone in the street, it is polite to exchange I am sorries, which is es tut mir leid. These are my works cited, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation on Germany. Thank you so much.